Jesus Christ. That's what you call a microburst. Never seen nothing like that. Look at that shit. That's unreal, man. It's not rotating, is it? You watch the wind pick up on this if it comes back. Oh, here you go, watch this. Can you turn those lights off? That will go off chops. Wow. That is what you call a fucking microburst. Hey, come here. Look at the leading edge on it. Look at the leading edge on it. That's a microburst. That's what a microburst is. That's insane, man. Looks like a fucking tornado, eh? Cruising. Wow. Fuck. That'll be loud. You see that lightning?